Hi! In this video we're going to see how we can work with Git. On the one hand, after installing Git, we can use Git commands by using a text-based interface in order to perform the operations of Git. Here is a very way of automating the code in order to perform tasks more quick. But it's difficult for an early adopter of this technology to understand the concept of Git and commits. So this could be a good option for an advanced user since it provides a very powerful way of working. In contrast, we have other visual IDEs and interfaces that allow us to work with Git in a visual fashion. In this case, provides the visuals of the commits and is very easy to understand how commits are related each one to another. In this case, we encourage the use of these visual interfaces at the beginning of learning Git, since it is easy to understand how it works. Popular interfaces that can be used are sourcetree, GitKraken, or SmartGit. Some of them can be used in different platforms, Windows, Mac, or Linux, and others are not available for some of these platforms. First of all, if you want to install Git, you need to access the official website and follow the instructions depending on your platform. In any case, the instructions are quite easy to follow, and this will provide you a Git environment to work. If you want to install a visual interface, we encourage you to install, for example, sourcetree, if you have Windows or Mac, and other interfaces if you have Linux. But any of the interfaces are very similar one to other. We are using this one in this course in order to show the videos, but the functionalities are very similar. In this case, you need to go to the website, download the installer, and following the instructions by taking into account some specific points that you can observe during the installation process. So, in order to use Git, we can use the command prompt or we can use a visual interface. In any of these tools, you can apply the Git commands and perform the tasks. Thanks for watching.